Hey, what's up guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I just wanted to make a quick video and just pop out here and just let you guys know that this system that I've been promoting kind of passively just generated me another $177.30. I just made a previous video about this piggyback method, this whole system, and it just generated another $177. And again, the gross sales is $197. So this affiliate program pays out at 90%, which is unheard of. Most of the times you're usually getting, 50% at most, but this is a cool little system where you're getting 90% commissions, as well as the funnel itself helps you build your list. It's very high converting in terms of turning cold traffic into warm leads. So you're going to get a lot of leads, and you can actually make 90% commissions with this piggyback method. Let me go ahead and jump over to it so you can see it really quick. All right, so I'm here at the actual funnel, and in the link in the description, guys, you'll actually have access to this funnel. You can actually get it for free and start using it to build your list. Now, there is an optional upgrade. You don't have to take it, but I will say that it gives you license right and some training and some other things, and I'll let you guys find that out once you actually click the link below and learn all about this piggyback method. But essentially what this is going to do is it's essentially for newbies, and this whole system, the training and everything that's incorporated with it, it helps people just get started extremely fast, right to the nitty gritty, and like what it takes as a newbie to actually start making money, and a substantial amount of money. I mean, $177 every day. If you're doing that every day, that can be a nice income for somebody. So just wanted to actually just shoot another video to show you that this system is still working. It's bringing a lot of leads as well as sales. And if you guys haven't checked it out, I have a link in the description for this. And again, just kind of watch this video. It's just a few minutes long, 3 or 4 minutes long. Watch this video. It actually does give you some training and some value. And then there's going to be another video that you're going to want to watch that really kind of breaks down the whole system, as well as actually tactically train you to get you to start building your business like right away. And it doesn't waste any time at all. It just gets right to the nitty gritty. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I know it was a short video. Just wanted to pop in here just to show that, you can passively start generating hundreds of dollars a day with affiliate marketing when you have the right system in place and when you can get the right traffic. And while we're on the subject of getting traffic, you can actually go over to trafficbyjohn.com/traffic if you want to get some high quality traffic. As you guys know, I'm a solo ad vendor now, and I'm actually providing high quality 100% tier 1 traffic for folks. I'm building people's emails lists. I'm sending sales to folks. People are hitting leaderboards. I just did a video a few days ago where I actually show a lot of testimonials and people saying, the high opt-in rates they're getting, the sales they're making, leaderboards they're hitting. So if you guys are looking for some really good high quality traffic, definitely check out this website as well. So that's all I have for you guys today. Go ahead and check out the piggyback method in the description below. Go ahead and check that out. And then once you get your system set up and you want to get some traffic to it, make sure you go to trafficbyjohn.com/traffic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.